What time is it? It's Coco Art Time!
Alright, so I already asked you to paint your rocks, diba? You painted na your rocks. But mine is already done. Oh, your pot!
Ah, this is heavy. How is this heavy? It's just like 100 billion.
It's part of it's your rocks, right? Okay.
That's like 100 billion.
It's old. The rocks, Jake, these are really, it's older than us.
I also want to paint a blue bulb.
Yes, you may do so. Oh, you start with the muna. You may start with the blue ma. You can turn everything blue muna, Jake. Kasi I'm finding the right way to make it blue muna and we'll just add black later.
I went to the mountain and then collected some rocks so you can have this for our art class. Alright. So are you done with your pot?
Are you done? I think my blue rock is already dry. I think I can put na polka dots. Not yet put it. Oh no! It's taking a long time to dry.
A few moments later.
Look at this. Isn't it pretty? My blue.
Jake, look, are you working on your bulb? Okay, teacher, look, I will make it like oval lang. Oval. I painted everything blue na lang muna. Tapos I'll just make a line. Yung black, I will use the black paint later. Dadaanan ni teacher ko yung blue. Ng black paint. Ipe-paint si Jake tsaka si Luke ng white.
Brush in your palette, diba? Use the thin one. Yung pointy. Yung pointed. Like this size of. Yes. Cheese. Say cheese. Jake.
Here, it's like letter C. Then I will make one straight line from the black thing that we made all the way down. All the way down. Like this, can you see? Wow. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Parang mouse ito sa And then just make a circle lang. You start with a small circle and just keep adding. Add. Para bigger siya.
What I want to do after art?
After art, we're going to decorate your pot. Like this, look, I drew leaves dun sa pot ni teacher Coco. Tada!
With it, group, drop.
Falling. Ay. From your pot so I can put all our artworks together. Yes. First the eyes. Can you make your eyes a bit bigger? I see. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Make a bigger eyes pa konti. Wow! Cash, put black dun sa eyes niya kasi it's all white lang eh. You'll put a black pink. Thank you. Okay, ready? Take a look. Show your rock. Say, we will rock you. Rock you. Cheese. Say cheese.